Digital multimeter. So multimeter is nothing but measuring multiple values. Digital is nothing but output is in digital form. Output is in digital form. So digital output can be on LCD or LED display. Digital multimeter is used for measurement of prominently for measurement of AC voltage, DC voltage, DC current, resistances. Also, there are some knobs where you can measure diode and drop voltage, transistor. You can do also the transistor testing on the multimeter. For this video, we are just uh, focusing on voltage, current, and resistance measurement. So this is the block diagram of digital multimeter. So in the digital multimeter there is a rotary switch. Which measurement you have to do? You have to take the rotary switch on that knob. Suppose if you want to do the measurement of DC voltage, then you will take the rotary switch on this knob. There is calibrated attenuator. Attenuator is reducing the voltage, input voltage, as per the requirement of further circuits. It is like a buffer amplifier which is doing the adjustment between the circuits after and before. So this DC voltage passes through the calibrated attenuator. Now we want the display or the output in digital form. So A to D converter is used to convert DC voltage to the digital value. Next, if you want to measure DC current, then you have to convert the current into the voltage. Then you will get DC voltage here. Again it is converted to digital and then displayed. If you want to measure the AC voltage and AC current, then you require rectifier circuit to convert it into the DC value. Then it is converted to digital and displayed. Suppose you want to measure the resistance, then you connect the multimeter across this resistance, and through the multimeter some constant current flows through this. So this is the constant current source which will develop some voltage across the resistance. Suppose you are using DC current, then there is no need of rectifier circuit. This is past, this voltage is a DC voltage, then buffer amplifier do the adjustment between the further circuit and the circuit behind. So this you will get the DC voltage which is converted to digital and calibrated on the display, digital display, such that you will get the resistance value. So same is written on this PPT, and I will give the link of this PPT in the description box, so you can read there also. So thank you for this video, and I hope you got the concept of digital multimeter.